How much does YouTube actually pay for every 1,000 views? This question is one of the most asked questions in YouTube space. And if you want to know how much YouTube actually pays for every 1,000 views, make sure you watch it, because in today's video, I will explain it in a way that you don't need another video. Now, let's dive in and find out how much YouTube and how much you can earn the 1,000 views on YouTube. And I will be showing you a real statistics from successful faceless YouTube channels in niche like AI, business, finances, self-help, and even horror channels. And this will give you a much clearer picture of how much your favorite creators are earning, and more importantly, how much you could potentially make if you start your own YouTube channel today. And bonus tips, if you stick around till the very end, I'm also going to share 5 tried and tested methods to boost your earnings with a video on YouTube. And of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out anytime I upload a video on this channel. YouTube revenue is influenced by 4 major factors. The biggest of these is the type of ad that appear on your videos. There are 4 main types. First is skippable ads. You know, the ones you can skip after a few seconds. Then we have non-skippable ads, which, as the name suggests, you can't skip at all. Third are bomber ads, which are non-skippable but only 6 seconds long. And finally, there are short ads which run on YouTube Shorts. YouTube pays you when ads are displayed on your video, but how much you earn depends on the type of ads and how much of it your viewers actually watch. From our own analytics, skippable ads consistently generate the highest revenue. On the screen right now, you will see something called CPM. That is cost per mile, or cost per 1,000 views. This is the amount advertiser pays to YouTube for every 1,000 views. But this is not what creator actually receive or earn. What we earn is called RPM, or revenue per mile, which is about 55% of the CPM, since YouTube keeps 45% for itself. So, for example, if the CPM is $19 for skippable ads, your RPM comes down to around maybe $10 after YouTube takes their share. That is what you as a creator actually make or earn. It's also worth noting you can't really choose which ads run on your video. Once you are monetized, you can place ad manually within your video, but you don't have full control over the ads type that will be showing on your video. Keep that in mind. The second major factor is where your viewers are located. This is one of the few things you have some influence over. If your audience is mainly from countries like US, UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, or Germany, your RPM is usually high. And that is because advertisers in this region spend more to reach their audience. On the flip side, if your viewers are from lower paying ad region like India, Philippines, Singapore, Africa, your RPM drops significantly, and yes, you can influence where your viewers come from. Faceless creators in particular can use AI tools to create content with voices, avatars, and assets that appeal more to English-speaking audience like US, Canada, UK. This is something face-based creators don't always have the luxury to do, as assets and ethnicity still play a role in viewer demographic. I will circle back to this a little later, so keep watching. The third factor that impacts earnings per 1,000 views is the niche you choose to cover or to do it. This is where you have the most control. This is what I mean. Over the last 3 months, this channel has earned more than $4,600 with an average RPM of $4 and CPM of $11. Not bad at all for just 3 months of monetization. But not every video perform equally. Take this video for example. That one had an RPM of $11. Why? Because it was finance related. Finance and business topic tend to bring in higher bids, which leads to a better earning. That is why finance channel usually outperform others when it comes to AdSense revenue. Now, the fourth and final factor is your video length and how long viewers stay watching. Longer videos allow you to insert more ads, and better viewer retention means more ads get watched. Simple as that. If your video is longer than 8 minutes, you can add mid-roll ads, and if people are watching through to the end, that is more ad revenue for you. So when you combine all these 4 factors, the ad types, viewer location, content niche, and viewer length retention, you get a unique formula that determines your RPM. You really only control the last two, your topic and how engaging your video is. That is why even channels with a similar view count can make very different amount of money. Let's look at the popular Faceless channels. How to AI. In 2024, they made over $445,000 from YouTube with around 7 million views. Their average RPM was $6 and a pretty solid number. That is a pretty solid number. How did they do it? First, according to channel description, they are based in US, and that boosts audience quality right away. Whether they are actually based there or not, Faceless creators can optimize for US audience by tweaking avatars, assets, and narration styles. Second, their content revolve around making money with AI, which advertisers are currently throwing money at right now. And lastly, their videos are well produced, which usually means better retention. Put all this together, you have got a formula for high revenue. Another great example is Magnet Media. He creates long-form business documentary videos, and he's made over 1.8 million US dollars from 160 million views. That is an average RPM of $7. On his channel, he even mentions some individual videos making thousands of dollars. Why such high RPM? Well, his content is in English. His audience is from the UK, US, and other big ad budget. That is a plus. His videos are long and viewers love them. Let's take a look at a different channel, Self-Rep. Improvement Pill made between $6,000 to $16,000 from 3.2 million views in the last 3 months, and that is an RPM of between $1 to $4. Why not as high as the finance? These are still respectable numbers because the audience is mostly from high RPM regions, and the content is advertiser friendly, the decent retention. Now let's jump into the horror channel. The channel Mr. Nightmare has over 6 million subscribers and gets around 1 million views per video. Over 3 months, he made between $96,000 to $468,000 from 36 million views, putting his RPM between $2 to $7, which is very decent in a horror channel, even though it's not most advertiser friendly niche. High retention and ability to place multiple ads in a long form videos help bring in more revenue and money. So what's the takeaway? If you want to maximize earning, you need to align all 4 elements: viewer, location, high paying niches, engaging content with long watch times, and favorable ad formats. Still, RPM vary widely from video to video and channel to channel, but now you know exactly what drives those numbers and how to influence them. Here is what you can do to boost your RPM and revenue. Target audience from high paying regions like the US, UK, Canada, and Australia. And if you are faceless, use AI to create content that resonates with these demographics. 2. Pick a niche with a strong advertiser demand that could be finance, AI, business, or anything related to money making. If your goal is to earn, go where the money is. You understand? 3. Focus on viewer satisfaction. It doesn't matter how good your video looks. If people don't watch till the end, you won't earn from those ads. Make sure your scripts keep viewers engaged from start to finish. 4. Make video longer than 8 minutes so you can place mid-roll ads, but don't stretch just to hit the 8 minutes mark. Choose topics that naturally deserve longer discussion and offer real value. Viewers will notice if you are adding things to make up the 8 minutes. And last but not the least, don't rely solely on AdSense. Most successful channels make way more through digital products, sponsorship, and other income streams. How to AI and digital income projects both made over $100,000 selling digital products alone. If you are wondering how to build a multiple streams of income for your channel, don't worry, I got you. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 proven methods to make money on YouTube, even if you are starting from scratch. These are real strategies that faceless channels are using right now, and I know you don't want to miss this. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in next video, and I hope you have subscribed. And if this video added value to you, make sure you comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.